Color choice is a very important thing to keep in mind when you're fishing, and as conditions change, you want to be able to change as fast as you can to get more fish in the boat. Today it was cloudy early, and the more natural color definitely outperformed the brighter colors, but as the sun came up higher and the clouds cleared, the chartreuse and white was definitely a better fit. So keep that in mind when you're fishing. As conditions change, you need to change, and you'll definitely put more fish in the boat.
You know, one thing that I like to do with my gulp to extend the life of it and get a little bit more out of each package is, at the end of the day, when you've got a pack that's, you know, say only has 2 or 3 minnows left in it, I don't like to just reseal that. What I like to do actually is I carry a Tupperware container that has a nice seal on it. And what I do with those is I actually will fill that Tupperware container up with some of this recharge, and then just take that bag that just has 1 or 2 minnows left in it, and I'll dump that in this container. And what that does is it keeps the bait nice and fresh, and once again, it just extends the life out of that gulp minnow for me.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.